Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data. On the application of TikTok, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will scrolling down until you find the application of TikTok and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.